is the dopamine, dopamine.
What's up guys, what's up? Coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
brand new banger?
Why you doing, John Croft?
But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaica YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright peeps, we can get right tonight, no itching.
A client request a show the other day. Zin, where the man sit down and watch me please him woman.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so a lot of man out there, them not really know if to satisfy them woman in a certain way. So you can request me.
So that's where you come in.
Yes. And me just come sort out your woman for you. Alright, if your own girl so she go swingers club. Yeah. It's like that. Like I'll go to a swingers club and a man see me and I say, yo, Jano, you know, more you put one for my woman. And him just sit down and take a chair and watch me sort out him woman for him nice and properly. And then probably give me their number and when them want to sort out, you see me them.
So, and that are going in Jamaica now. You think of foreign alone them thing they happen. So, you go pay your money. Me I go take up my money and give one man to sort out my woman. Next video now.
Why? I don't know why woman always make caca money jar them go someplace. Me I'm going to this story. Story time, true story. Me have this friend that tell me say she meet this boy online. She and the boy a chat for a couple months. She said she like the boy and she want to go visit the boy. She go spend the weekend. Oh God. But she go spend the weekend. Good so she can suck whole weekend. Whole blood clot weekend. Good say they can suck her. Good so she have to put on a good food. That means that man they belongs to her. She go back. Only if you know so when goods reach a bus stop, a good boy carry goods to the bus stop and roll up a piece of money put in her hand. Good so she a good girl so she not check the money, she just put in her back pocket. You see when she reach in the taxi, good saying take the money out of her back pocket to put in her purse. She said when she check her purse empty. Only if you know say boy pick her purse, give her her own money if you take taxi go back home. Tell me if this right.
Oh!
Oh God, thieves, oh God. Thieves, I'm crying. I'm crying.
Oh!
Bitch, what?
First of all, if y'all don't know, that's down in Black River at a tourist attraction. So apparently it's known for that crocodile right there, who is the favorite. That's 14 feet long. He's known for coming out and getting a tan, right? And they say he's friendly. He's friendly. He's the favorite down there. So I advise all of you guys and tourists to go down there and play with him. Say hi for me.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no.
I realize something just now, I show you, right? You know, it's like when you just meet a man and you want the man, you dress up to impress him. You do everything to make him comfortable, suck dick, deep throat, everything. You want everything to make him nice. That's when you get the man and the man moving, you moving, the man are however way want to go to on up good, vice versa, man and woman we are talking about now. You know you change? You're more aggressive because you watch too much things you get money. You're not enough to keep your man a yard or keep your woman a yard. You're wrong for that. Oh!
Bruh. This is me after 1 shot of Henny. This is me after 2 shots of Hennessy, and I'm feeling alright. This is me after 3 shots of Hennessy, and I'm ready for my friends to get here so we can swim. Me after.
Oh!
Wampin. Oh, blood clot in a life and wampin. Don't tell a lie about this. The word the way you just said me is wampin. Me blow up.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Sobrang bahan na po ngayon dito sa Pulangi. So ayan mga kababayan, nakikita nyo naman dito. Daanan to sa papuntang Magurang. Basud Pulangi Albayto. Tingnan nyo mga idol. Grabe yung baho. Ngayon, nako, baka abutin kami dito ng baha. Hoy! Yung ka rin, nakikinig mo na. Grabe. Pero yung CCTV dito eh, maboy pa eh.
Sa rin kamong parte. Padundusin na din eh. Ito kasi ito dito makaagay. Sa gulo-gulo parteng batang tira ka dito sa pagkakali. Ito sila mga tayo dito agay dito agyan. Yap. Ito pa sila daw manikutan ng ano dito. Ito din na dito. Ito tapos mga tuba. Ito na mo tumbang yung mga. Ito naman ka. Kasi na nagkadagat tiringan tid. Ako lang kaliwag kumulpas ang tubig. Hindi si Dada?
Nag-live ako.
Oh, nag-live ka?
Yo, I'm not telling a lie. Boy, I know we are get some floods and some landslide and something like that, but far fortunate than them people. That's in the Philippines, by the way. Or some rotted wind that you know say people them house underwater. That's crazy, bruh. Cause a little bit of rain then we get our place stays so yo, I'm not telling you like yo, Jamaica can't even take a hurricane right now, not even a category 1. Me I tell you now. January. I really hope they make it. But we don't know what to say. We just have to pray for the Philippines and other countries that are affected. You know? So definitely, people, go and hold them up in all the prayers because they need it. Alright peeps, hope you enjoy them clips there. I was supposed to post this yesterday, but we never have enough content and thing. And I did well tired to peeps because if you don't know, I'm on the road. I do a whole heap of tour all over Jamaica and stuff like that. If you don't want to see, I'll probably link up with me or know me, just follow me on my Instagram, spell just like the name, Sinus Gaming. So follow me on that and thing. Let me know your thoughts on all of the crazy video them. The short thing, but as I say, we always keep the pot bubbling and thing. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not miss a maker. Big up the